Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.